So the second part to handout 7 here, dividing with variable radicands. Alright, so just some steps or things to keep in mind. We always divide the coefficients, so you've seen that before. We've done regular division. Divide the radicands, done that. The only new part is right here. Subtract exponents, unlike variables. And then simplify. And remember that radicands do not divide. So that the radical is removed, you have to rationalize. So if you can't get rid of the root sign on the bottom, the denominator, you have to rationalize. And again, we'll go through a couple examples, and I'll state each of those in the timeline for the video. So here's our first type, and these will divide evenly. Negative 18 divided by 6, that's the first part, divide your coefficients. That will give you a negative 3. X cubed divided into x to the power 4. So the bases are the same, both are x, so that means you subtract your exponents. So the 3 comes up and gets subtracted from the 4. So 4 subtract 3 leaves you with x. So no rationalization needed, no extra big steps. B, we do not have coefficients here to divide. So we do not have coefficients to divide, so it's just underneath the radical sign. So 12 divided by 3 is 4. X to the power 5 divided by x to the power 1. Always take the smaller exponent and subtract it to where the bigger one is. So 5 take away 1 is 4. Square root of 4 for the coefficient is 2. Square root of x to the power 4. X squared. So remember, you take your index and you divide it into your exponent. So your exponent divided by your index. The exponent, which is 4, divided by index. Here. So 4 divided by 2. Alright, I'm not going to do the other ones there because they're very similar to what we've done with the regular division. You just need to keep in mind when you're dealing with the exponents on your variable. Next set are rationalizing the denominator. So let's look at C. So when we look at C first, let's simplify where we can. So you have 8 is divided by 4, and that leaves you with 2. So you know you're at least going to have a 2 here. Then x divided into x cubed. Well, biggest exponents on top, and you subtract your exponents. So it's 3, take away 1. That will give you x squared. Here you have your root on top and bottom here. So now you divide underneath your root side. So 3 divided by 6 gives you the 2. So root 2. X squared divided into x cubed. So it's always to where the bigger exponent is. So this is 3. So it's going to be 3 take away 2, which is just x. You can't do anything else with this. You can't divide the 2's because this is a radical, that's not. And same with the x's, you can't divide those. So there's only one step left, and what I'm going to do, oops, it's just going to shorten that division symbol there. Let's go back here. So I shorten that. So the last step is to rationalize. So you take your root and you multiply it to the top and bottom. So 2x squared times root 2x. 2x squared times root 2x. Here, root 2x times root 2x. It's just going to be 2x. But to show you the complete step, 2 times 2 is 4. X times x is x squared. And like I just said, this will work out to 2x. Let's bring that up. So 2x squared over root 2x. Square root of 4 is 2. Square root of x squared is x. And before you say you're done, let's just have a look at the coefficients. Yep, the 2's cancel. And x squared divided by x. It's x to the 1, so remember you subtract them. So it's going to be 2 subtract 1. So in the numerator, leaves you with x. Here it leaves you with 2x. And there, that part is done. Okay, thank you.